guys, so nasa Grab na tayo and we are on our way to Uptown Mall because I'm gonna have my shoes cleaned sa Grail and I'm gonna pull out sa the 9 later, so let's go. Hi guys, so mali yung napuntahan kong Grail. They have a pop-up store here sa may Uptown. You can drop off your shoes there. Then ayun, papunta na akong, the correct location pala is sa may 1 Uptown Residences. So ayun guys, nakita ko na ako sa yung Grail. It's in 1 Uptown Residences. It's right just across Uptown Mall. So sa may side ng Team Ho1, just across the street. Then yan, you'll see an elevator, an escalator going down, and yo, let's go. Apparently it's a new place pa. Ayan, dahil pang construction na ginagawa. Ayan, yung mga new stores. And hinahanap ko ngayon yung Grail. Yun. So nakita na natin yung Grail na boutique store talaga. So ito yung mga shoes na papalinis ko. Itong blue things, itong wave runner, and yung blush na yung dumi na talaga. So this one, ipapa-repaint ko siya.
Yung rate po namin sir sa ano po,
yung
sa
for repaint?
Repaint po, para nyo lang po, black and white po, Wilson lang po, 1 to 2 siya. Kapag may kasamang cleaning po siya sir, bali, package po kasi siya, magiging 650 na lang po siya, plus sa ano yung cleaning po.
So pag ano siya, pag repaint plus cleaning, magkano yung total?
Depende po sa materials na po sir. Katulad po nito sir, kasi ano siya, nasa premium materials po siya. So mamimili po kayo dito sir, sa cleaning po namin. Bali sa tatlo po yan sir. Premium classic clean, premium deep clean, and all around po. Bali, ang kaibahan lang po sa cleaning po namin. So kapag premium classic clean po, bali ang ilinisin na po namin, upper po, and mid-sole po. Pag premium deep clean naman po siya, ang ilinisin po namin, all over na po siya.
Okay.
Apo.
Ito yun, premium.
Apo, premium deep clean naman
Premium
po
deep
siya.
clean, 1,450. Plus yung repaint na.
Plus po yung repaint po, magiging 650 po. Kapag all around po,
So
same lang siya.
1,450 plus 650. Pag parang
Apo, 2-1 po.
2-1.
2-1 po. Kapag sa all around naman po, same po siya ng process ng cleaning type premium deep clean. May kasama lang po siyang protector and refreshers po.
Tapos ito, for deep clean lang, ito yun yung 1,450.
Apo, pwede po siya sa premium deep clean. Kasi po yung materials po.
Okay.
Pati hearing po.
Meron silang Air Force One. Ito yung before.
Apo.
Then, ito yung after. Yan. Nirepaint to, no? Hindi.
Apo, hearing.
So, I dropped my shoes here sa may Grail, sa may Uptown, 1 Uptown Residences. Then, this one, yung Easy na blush, pina-premium deep clean ko siya. Then, yung blue tints din, pina-premium deep clean. So, for premium deep clean, 3 days siya before pickup, for pickup. Then, itong sa may Easy 700 na wave runner, as you can see, and ano kasi yung paint niya. So, pinagawa ko dito is repaint and premium deep clean din. And for yung repaint nila, they have warranty ng 3 months. So, Yan. Kakatapos lang natin mag-drop ng shoes to have it cleaned and repainted dito sa my grail.ph. Ay, grail_ph. So, you can follow them on their Instagram. I'm gonna put it here. Yan. And let's go to my pull-out sa the nines. So I'm here sa nines and we're gonna do our pull-out for the month of April. And so they have champion tees here. And yung bago nilang dating is this one, yung members only na jacket. Stamp polo. And they also have these, I think this is the new collection of SKOOP. And shout out to Mick. I'm getting this members only jacket and love the color from the beach. So I'm getting this grizzly shirt from the nines because it's tie-dye and I think it's perfect kasi summer na. Then I'm gonna go back next week here sa Fort's Grail to pick up my shoes and to go to visit the nines ulit sa next week because they're gonna have fresh deliveries tonight. So what's up guys, Jeff from here. It's currently 6 a.m. and we're going to Uptown Mall to watch the Avengers Endgame. And it's April 24 by the way. So after Endgame, we're gonna pull out some stuff at the nines and after that, we're gonna pick up the shoes sa Grail PH show. Guys, so I'm done with the movie and all I can say is sobrang ganda kasi you guys need to watch it. So ayan, I'm here sa nines to pull out some stuff and they released a new set of champion tees and made the hundreds din. And maganda yung champion nila ngayon because mas iba na yung fabric niya compared sa before. So I think I'm getting this one. Hey guys, so I just got home and I already got the shoes from Grail. So ayun, as I said before, I had 2 shoes for deep cleaning and 1 for deep cleaning and repaint. So, and I just give you a quick preview of the shoes. There. Super nice niya kasi this part, it used to have a chip on that side and so malinis siya ngayon. And this one, 350, super clean na niya. And this one, yung blush. So shout out to Grail for cleaning my shoes and for the repaint. So here's a quick preview of the before and after of the shoes. So there, that's it for this vlog. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @IamJeffOng and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.